Part 2. Cue card.
Describe a time when you answered a phone call from someone you didn't know in a public place. You should say when and where it happened, who called you, what she said, how you corresponded, and explain how you felt about the experience. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish.
Last year, while I was waiting for a bus at the city square, I received an unexpected phone call from an unknown number. It was a weekday evening, around 6 p.m., and the area was bustling with commuters. The caller introduced himself as Alex, claiming to be from a local charity organization. He explained that he was conducting a survey on environmental awareness and sought my participation. Initially, I was hesitant, but Alex's polite demeanor put me at ease. He asked a series of questions, and I responded accordingly, sharing my thoughts on recycling and conservation. Throughout the conversation, I remained cautious, aware of the potential risks of sharing personal information with a stranger. Nevertheless, Alex's questions seemed genuine, and our discussion lasted around 10 minutes. After the call, I felt somewhat surprised and intrigued. While I was initially wary, the conversation turned out to be enlightening, and I gained insight into the charity's initiatives. Reflecting on the experience, I realized the importance of being open minded yet cautious when interacting with unknown individuals in public.